Hey guys, welcome to Just Pinoy Investing. So just a quick update guys, for those who don't know yet what's the distribution for the YMAX for calendar week 47. So basically it's for November 21 payout. So the dividend payout per share is 24 cents. To be exact, it's 0.2441. So again, congratulations guys to all who are the investors of YMAX. We keep on holding, and of course we keep accumulating our shares. So just to give you an update, I have accumulated total of 590 shares of YMAX. So I have a goal to reach the 1,000 shares of YMAX, and to keep reinvesting my weekly dividend. So let's see guys. So I'm really excited to see how far the my investment in YieldMax in general after the long term. So I'm planning to keep investing for at least 2 to 5 years or even longer. So again, our goal is for the early retirement. So of course we need to keep investing and believe that the stock market will help us in our financial goals. So again, congratulations guys, weekly payout for YMAX. Let's go.